Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a live account on JustMarkets. So first of all, we go here to my accounts and then we click here on real. Then you will find here one real account, but we want to create another one. So we click here on open new account. Then from here we need to select MT5 or MT4 MetaTrader, and I prefer to choose the MetaTrader 5. Then right here we can select Pro, Raw Spread or Standard. I will do Standard, so I click on Open Real Account. And then from now we select here the currency. Let's do USD. Then after that we select a leverage. Let's do 1-2000 and then we fill in our password right here. Then from now we do create account. And boom, there it is. We created our second live account. All the information like password, server IDs or account IDs, they send that to your email address. And after that, you can use this live trading account. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.